Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, panoramic sunroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, fog lights, power windows, security system, brake assist, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.